start cord. This is it. Let's go over this real quick. Common start run on your compressor. This is what the schematic looks like. The switch is just a momentary switch, which is right here. Red usually gets hot, goes to your run winding. Black is your neutral. White is your start winding with the momentary switch that's working like your current relay. This was made by Richie Yellow Jacket, part number 69523. Now this little guy's been with me, gosh, maybe I bought it in 94, 93, and it's been with me ever since. And I rolled a long time without it. Oh yeah, well, there's the Navac 2CFM battery operated vacuum pump. I gotta say, for the prep tables and the little jobs, I really freaking love this thing. I've been using it more than you'd imagine. I need to video more, so sorry about that. I know that thing's expensive, but you get to a point where you're making money and you can buy some spare tools. I know it was given to me for free. Almost a shameless plug, but it works. And if you go to Dizzy Dallas's channel, he's using it on the air conditioning units. He's having great results with it. He's got an adapter and he's running it with Milwaukee M18 batteries. I think he's ran it with Makita batteries. There's options for you guys. That little vacuum pump on small units will get the job done, and it looks like for him on the air conditioning, when he changes out a line set and a coil, it's working out really good for him. I like that vacuum pump. If Andrew wouldn't have given it to me, now that I know what it does, I would absolutely go out and buy one. And that's a fact. The start cord, there's nothing to it. There is a fuse in here, and I'm pretty sure it's on the run side. And then that's it. There's not much to it. It's basically an extension cord with a momentary switch, wired as such, going out to common start run on your compressor. And it's bypassing your start components and banging your compressor on. It does not reverse the compressor. UEI does make a compressor analyzer. If you guys have the money for it, I think it's 200 or 250 bucks. I will, what the heck, I might as well do a little research online and post up a picture for you guys down here. Beep. Might as well put a link for it too. I don't have any tool sponsorships. Purchase it wherever your heart contents you to buy it. I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon. A ton of stuff. Amazon right now is a lot cheaper than my wholesaler on a lot of parts. I don't know how they do it, but they do. And that's basically the start cord. People had a lot of questions about it. That's it. I need to print an invoice up right now for my customer and get down the road. It's about 6 at night. The sun's getting ready to go down. It's going down over the hill. And that is my start cord. Again, that was a Richie Yellow Jacket, part number 69523. I'm sure there's somebody that makes something like this. If you guys know, post it up in the comments. Let the guys go read it. There was a lot of the younger guys that wanted to try one out. And that's what it is.
Give yourself to the dark side.
Okay.